Ertuğrul nerede dedim.
Ertuğrul nerede dedim. Where is Ertuğrul? I said. So he asked him before and then he's asking him again. We know Ertuğrul is the name. Nerede is where. Where, the question. Dedim from demek, which means to say. Dedim in the past. The di, as we know, is the, or it represents the past. The m is for I, personal pronoun I. So where is Ertuğrul? I said.
Ne sen ne de ben bir Türk'ün hakkından gelemedik.
Ne sen ne de ben bir Türk'ün hakkından gelemedik. The meaning, as you can see, neither you nor I could defeat a Turk. So let's explain it. Ne sen, not you, ne de ben, also not me. So de here means also. Ben is I. Bir Türk'ün, a Turkish person. Hakkında, about, gelemedik, we didn't come, we couldn't come, because the gel means come. The a after the gel is can or couldn't, because here we have the me, which is the negative, so couldn't. But when we translate it, it gives us another meaning. We know the meaning of each word, but the meaning is neither you nor I could defeat a Turk.
Ama görünen o ki.
Ama görünen o ki. It means but it seems. Ama means but. Görünen o ki. It seems. We cannot translate each word alone. Görünen, if we want to translate it from gör to see. Görünen o ki. Here it means it seems. As it is, you take it.
O ikimizin hakkından gelecek.
O ikimizin hakkından gelecek. He will take care of both of us. So o is he. İkimizin, both of us. He and the one who is speaking to. Hakkından, about. Gelecek will come. It's the same as the second sentence that passed in this movie. It seems, it means here that he will take care of both of us. But we don't translate each word alone as it is. Gelecek means he will come. Hakkından, from, about, or about as it is. So the meaning, the real meaning is he will take care of both of us.
Ertuğrul zincirlerinden nasıl kurtuldu Simko?
Ertuğrul zincirlerinden nasıl kurtuldu? Simko. Now Simko is the name of the person. Zincir means chains, chain. Zincirler, chains. Zincirlerinden, from the chains. Nasıl, how? Now kurtuldu means escape. It comes from the verb, the form kurtulmak, which means to be saved. But here, of course, he will not be saved from the chains. He will escape the chains again. So how did Ertuğrul escape from his chains?
4-5 tane Türk bize saldırdı.
4-5 tane Türk bize saldırdı. 4-5 Turks attacked us. So 4 means 4, 5 means 5, tane means, like we use it a lot, it means like peace. But of course, he doesn't mean peace for people. He's talking about, or he's saying that 4 to 5 people, or Turks, because he said Turk, bize saldırdı, attacked us, bize, to us. From biz, we, bize, to us, saldırdı, attacked. From saldırmak, and the we know it as the past. It represents the past.
Bütün adamlarımı öldürdüler.
Bütün adamlarımı öldürdüler. They killed all my men. So bütün means all. Adam means men. Adamlar, men in the plural. Adamlarımı, my men, öldürdüler, killed. They killed, because ler is they, represents the personal pronoun. They öldürdü, they killed. As we said, öldürdüler, they killed. So they killed all my men.
Ertuğrul'u kurtardılar.
Ertuğrul'u kurtardılar. They saved Ertuğrul. Okay, we know kurtardılar, it passed before to be saved. We know the lar is they saved, and this is the past. It means they saved who? Ertuğrul.
Ben ellerinden zor kaçtım.
Ben ellerinden zor kaçtım. I barely escaped from their hands. Now ben means I, eller or el, let's say. El means hand, eller, hands, ellerinden, from the hands. We can say zor means hard, kaçtım, I escaped. Now we can't fix it while translating. that he had hard time escaping from their hands, or I barely escaped from their hands.
Şimdi obaya gidiyordur.
Şimdi obaya gidiyordur. Now he is going to the tribe. Şimdi means now, oba means tribe, obaya to the tribe, and the Y is a protection letter between the the vowels, the A's. And here we have gidiyordur, he is going. Now gidiyor means going, gidiyordur to emphasize. This is one of the uses of the dur. Also, it's used in another place, which is a noun sentence, and also to emphasize this dur at the end. Now he is going to the tribe.
Yemin ediyorum başka bir şey bilmiyorum.
Yemin ediyorum başka bir şey bilmiyorum. I swear I don't know anything else. Yemin ediyorum means I swear. Başka another. Bir şey, a thing, bilmiyorum, I don't know, from bilmek to know, bilmiyorum, me here is the negative, and your is the present continuous tense, and the is for the personal pronoun I don't know. So yemin ediyorum başka bir şey bilmiyorum, I swear I don't know anything else.
Burayı nasıl buldun?
Burayı nasıl buldun? How did you find this place? Now nasıl means how, buldun, you found. From bulmak, to find, buldu, this du is the past, and the n represents sen, you, the personal pronoun you. How did you find this place? Now buraya means here, but of course he means this place. We can translate it as we want. Burayı nasıl buldun? How did you find here? We can say, or how did you find this place?
Maria, bana her şeyi anlattı Simko.
Maria bana her şeyi anlattı, Simko. Maria told me everything, Simko. Now we know Maria and Simko are names. Bana, to me, her şeyi, everything, anlattı, she explained. Now anlatmak means to explain. Here we don't say she explained everything. She told me everything. From anlamak, anlatmak, to explain or to say. But we usually say anlatmak means to explain. But here, when we want to fix the sentence, we say Maria told me everything, Simko.